Hi there everyone, it's Misty here from TheJollyFatElf. Happy Monday. Thank you so much for joining me today. So I am working on a one stamp 3 ways video, and unfortunately it's not going up today. I'm remaking the third card. You'll see why tomorrow. So what I thought I would do instead is show you a little bit of my current haul. So I have 4, maybe 5 orders on the way to me, or I think I've placed 5 or 6. I honestly don't remember, you guys. I got my YouTube money and a little bit of money from something I do part-time. And I went hog wild all the Christmas. So today I'm sharing with you Art Impressions and Stamping Bellas. So Art Impressions, this is the first time I've ordered from them, but they had their holiday stamps 50% off. Now they didn't have the one that I was really after. Actually, there are 2 that I was really after, but it'll be all right. So I'm going to start with these. These are unmounted, but they come, so they mean they're not mounted onto a block because it says on repositional cushion. So that's what has to be what that means. The first is Twinkle and Tangle. Look at Santa and Mrs. Claus. They're so cute. I love it, love it, love it. And I love that you can really take your inspiration and coloring cues from their packaging. Really, really love that. So that's Twist. Excuse me, that's probably why I can't get anything done today. I'm really tired. So that's Twinkle and Tangle. Then I bought this one. This is just Holly Jolly set. I love these little snowmen. Santa and the reindeer are cute, but I was really drawn to these snowmen. So cute. And then this one actually goes onto an action wobble, and it comes with a die, and this is Dreaming Mini Shaker, and I think by shaker they mean that it shakes around. So yeah, that's what I got from Art Impressions. So if you follow any of my social media, you probably know what I got from Stampin' Bella. I cannot resist a couple of different animals. The first are otters. In fact, in Fort Worth, there is, you can go, you pay like $25 or $30 and you can spend either an hour with otters or an hour with a sloth. And I want to do both at some time in my life. So the second is sloth. So Stampin' Bella came out with, I don't know if they're going to have another Christmas release, but they had this one, and they had all of the sloths, and I got all of the sloths. So let's start with the sentiment stamp. So just like the Yetis, this has its own set of sentiments. It's called Merry Slothmas. It's beginning to look a sloth like Christmas. Eat, sleep, and be merry. 'Tis the season to take it slow. Have a relaxing holiday. Merry Slothmas, slothing around the Christmas tree. Have yourself a lazy little Christmas and the nap before Christmas. Love. This would be so cute. Like if you have kids and you're doing a December daily, or your grandkids or whatever, and you caught them sleeping, that would be such a cute sentiment to use. So first is Sloth in the Stocking. Look at him. Oh my gosh, he's so cute. So cute. And I love the way they colored him to look fuzzy, and I love the way they colored the stocking as well. Isn't that just, oh, he's so flippin' cute. And then there is Sloth on a Branch. This isn't necessarily Christmas, but he is in a little scarf. Cute, cute, cute. Then we have Sloth on a Wreath. Cute, cute, cute. And then this is my favorite. Sloth Ornament. So cute. And then I've always wanted to try their Uptown Girl, so I got one. This is Uptown Girl Katrina's Christmas Kiss. So, and I don't have a whole lot of people stamps, so I've been trying to get more people. So she's in a red dress, or she's in like a Santa outfit, sending you winter kisses and snowflake wishes, and really, really cute. Cute, cute, cute. So that's it. Quick, simple, fun, and here's a sneak peek at the card I'm redoing. You ready? 1, 2, 3. Ah, that's all you get. So thank you so much for joining me today, guys. I really appreciate you watching and subscribing and leaving comments. I did mention in the other video that the 14,000 subscriber has been chosen and her package is on her way to her. So I turned off comments on that video because a lot of people were still commenting thinking that they were entering even though I put giveaway closed. So I turned that off. So for the question of the day, there are 2 crafting companies that I'm waiting for to do their Christmas release. This video will have a giveaway, and this giveaway will end on, let me look, the 23rd. So Friday the 23rd will be the last day you can enter. This will have a giveaway. There are 2 crafting companies that I'm still waiting on to do their Christmas release. Leave your choices in the comments down below, and I will pick a winner between those of you who guess correctly. So again, the question of the day that will have a giveaway is, which 2 craft companies am I waiting for to release their Christmas stuff? You will win something from each of those stamp companies. So this is going to be a big one, guys. Make sure you leave your comments down below. But that's it. Thank you so much for joining me. Hopefully I can get these cards right, and I will see you guys on Wednesday. Thanks so much for hanging out with me. I'll talk to you real soon. Bye for now. You want this head scratch? Is that You are so silly. Is that the spot today, Mama? So you need this head scratched. That's what you need in your life. You need some head scratching. Look at that little foot. Look at that little foot. Key toes. Look at them key toes. Oh my goodness. You're so silly. Oh my gosh. You know I don't want your head scratched this often. You guys scratch right there. Got itches. Look at them kitty toes. Look at them kitty toes.